Running to you guys.
Big up, man. Big up, man.
Fabio.
Fabio.
Yeah, man.
Remember when I called and Chris said, who do you write more?
Yeah.
And I said, Kino.
Yeah.
I took back my hug. I had given him a back hug. I took it back.
And I want it back.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, man.
So how is everything?
Even me.
1, 2, 3. Laptop working right now. Coco girl working, finish packing. Say hello.
Hey, wagan.
Wagan. Hey, wagan.
Water. So nice. Everything's so nice.
The beach is so nice. Look, that's the beach.
Okay, maybe later.
Beach is that way. You see the beach?
Yes.
We can go and see the beach is that way.
Where is your umbrella?
I know.
This is the time.
I know.
The time.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, hope you like that drone shot. You know, I hope you was loving that drone view of the gated community and how wonderful and beautiful Jamaica is with all of that greenery, you know, the beautiful scenery here in Jamaica. So Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. This is your boy Kino speaking, guys. Remember, whenever you're watching, to put the thumbs up, and we thank you so much for doing so and supporting Kino Life in Jamaica by smashing that like button. You know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share while watching, tell a friend to tell a friend about Kino Life in Jamaica and about the lovely charity work that we do back in Trenchtown there in Kingston. You know, so today we're here, we're on a mission. You know, it's the last days counting down for Demongo. You know, so we're here trying to make some different adventure. You know, me myself getting to know my country, so there's nothing wrong getting to know your country, right? Because I wasn't doing so. So sometimes you need a head start in life to can continue on your path. Sometimes, you know, you need a push. You know, so big up yourself, Christmas list. You know, thank you so much for everything that you've been doing, and also we have to give thanks for Demo and go thank her so much for the growth that she gave me, the support, right? Because everything counts. Trust me, guys, everything counts. So today we're gonna head where the sun shines. I guess the sun is shining towards me, that direction. So I guess we're going that direction today. We're going at a location near you. So guys, just stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. So remember, whenever you watch it, smash that like button. So today, whenever I'm here, this is my lovely spot, the hammock. You know, where I like to chill, have the me time, the Kino time, the Kino Life in Jamaica time. Whenever I'm here, this is me here in the hammock chilling. You know, I would have loved to have a sorrel beer right now. I need to check to see if any more sorrel beer is there. Chilling under the ackee tree, smiling while the ackees are open. You know, so the ladies them is getting ready, you know, and then I'm gonna get ready as well too. So I'm just waiting for the ladies them to sort themselves out, you know, and then I'm gonna get ready and hit the road. So might as well the ladies them get ready first, because I don't want to be ready waiting forever and ever and ever. Okay, you know, ladies take long to get ready putting on their clothes, but I'm telling you, if I sit here for more than 10 minutes, I'm gonna be sleeping. So please don't sleep, Kino. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. You see the rock and the row under the hammock as I go. So put my legs up. Whoa, it's gonna be even more sweeter. Kino Life in Jamaica. So you're looking through Kino third eye. This is my third eye you're looking through. True and true. So welcome. So God bless you guys. I'm saying stay tuned, you know, for this adventure. But we're gonna end up at a place near you, or someone that who knows that place, or someone that comes from that place, or someone who knows someone, or someone that heard about that place and never been there before and seen us going there. I'm like, wow, look at my beautiful Jamaica. You know, I never been there before, but when I go to Jamaica, I have to go there whenever I touch the island. That is gonna be the spot. So that is what we've been bringing to you, you know, bringing places that you never seen, that you never get to go to, you never been there, you know. So at least you put it on your bucket list for whenever you're here in Jamaica. You say, let me go take a visit down there to see what it's like, you know. And for me, as I say, it's an experience here in life. Like, what can you say? Life is here to explore, to evolve, you know, experience, knowledge, you know. So that's what we've been learning, been seeking, and been understanding here on our beautiful island of Jamaica. Bringing you my third eye view. So guys, so stay tuned. Let me go and sit, relax, and go and rock, you know, my hammock and chillax under the ackee tree. And I will see you back. I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Remember, smash that like button. Kino Life in Jamaica. Stay tuned. Under the ackee tree. This is what you're getting for real. Under the ackee tree. So guys, the baller roll starts. Everyone's packing. Do you pack?
Yeah, I pack already.
Finish pack already. Coco girl, still packing.
Yes.
Finish packing there. Everyone packing. Already packed upstairs. I already packed and left empty now. You see me? The bag is here. Pack and ready. I am packed and ready loaded. Only my laptop need to pack. Oh, Coco girl laptop. See? This is a workstation.
Even me.
1, 2, 3. Laptop working right now. Coco girl working. Finish packing. Say hello.
Hey, waga wagan.
Waga wagan. Hey, waga wagan. Hey, waga wagan. I still cannot get that one. That's a new patois. Waga wagan. New patois. Waga wagan. Waga wagan.
Waga wagan. Carnival. Waga wagan.
So no festival, don't play carnival. Carnival, we got the carnival dumpling. So Coco girl is gonna make some carnival dumpling while we're on this journey.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we're going on a journey around Jamaica. That is it. Wagga wagwan.
Wagwan, guys.
No, wagga wagwan.
Wagwan.
No, wagga wagwan.
Wagwan. Me
The-
there, man.
Wagga wagwan.
Me there, man.
Say wagga wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagga
Me father.
father.
Me lord. Me G.
Me general.
I can't wait when I'll go back home. Then I call people me G, me lord, me father.
Yeah, me general. Wagga wagwan. I hope everyone is having a wagga wagwan day today. You know, coming from Coco girl. Wagga wagwan. Bless you, singer. Wagga wagwan. So guys, so we're getting ready. We're gonna load up and stroll up. Wagga wagwan.
Exactly.
That's what. That is it. Yeah. You eat pudding? That I saw your brown eyes. Guys, you know I cannot come and pass this place without getting my pudding. You know I have to get my pudding, right? Woo. I have to get my pudding. Have come in pudding? Hello. Hello.
Where's Lily?
Out there.
What? Nearby?
Yeah. Over by the car over there.
Over by the car?
Yeah, the black car.
Oh, she's in this car?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
What kind of pudding you have, my friend?
Potato, pumpkin, carrot, tomato, banana, caramel.
Okay.
Forgot. When are you there? That's before car. That's an afford, send it up. One banana, one tomato.
Caramel and carrot.
Oh, potato.
Caramel and potato.
Yeah. Yeah, set this to me.
That's all?
Yeah, that's it.
Caramel and potato. Yeah.
All is well? Okay, see there. Oh, D. So what is it? There, come get piece of the pudding, you know? Cannot pass and I don't get piece of this pudding.
What is there? Caramel and potato.
Yeah, right here.
With carrot.
Where carrot? Ready?
Let me get 2 water as well, please.
Give me that bag there.
This is what? This is the potato and caramel. Potato and caramel.
That's the one to get.
Yeah, potato and one caramel. Then give me 2 water as well.
Potato and caramel.
Potato and caramel. Oh, so she take it back.
Yeah, because brownie not say I think you're right. Yeah, only take time to talk to me. Give me 2 water, please.
Potato and caramel, same speed.
Make your right there. Negative one side.
Potato and caramel. Water and fritters. And a piece of salt.
You order already?
Yeah, the potato and caramel already. Look at it. Come on.
One next water.
Water now.
Water.
Yeah, my one there.
Give me water, man.
Water.
Alright, you're not
Big up
going
yourself, yeah?
You like a bone. Well. Good morning. What a wonderful morning, guys. Well, bless. Well, guys, last night, we're reaching last night, because the journey, and then we left out late, and then we get confused one at a time. We're meant to go to a different location, then we end up here. So now we're here in Negril. Sad to say we came here last night. It's bad to know that we came here last night, so I couldn't get to show footage coming in, or any pictures or photos or video of the Negril sign, nothing. But we're here in Negril, and where we are now in Negril, we're at Stone Cottage down by Marketplace. The market is down by in Negril, so that's where it is. We came here last night. It was a bit late when we reached because a lot of stopping and everything. So we're here now, and we have to give thanks to our house. We've got 3 cottages, we've got 3 rooms and everything. Me, Coco Girl and D Mwango is here, so I'm going to show you the cottages. I'm going to show you my room, and I'm going to knock up D. I'm going to knock Cocoa Girl and see what they're doing so early in the morning. Yeah man, so hope you have a wonderful day guys. Remember to smash that like button whenever you're watching. You know, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica, and I thank you so much for watching. I thank you so much to put that thumbs up, you know, and keep following, you know, keep following. You know, the days is counting down as well to for D, you know, so I guess now we're on the last bit of adventure taking our around. So we at the point now, we are here in Negril, you know, so boy, we at the end of Jamaica. Right, we at the next point of Jamaica. Oh, wonderful that is, from one point to the other. So now we're here at Negril, and this is what we call our cottage. So here, I'm at the back cottage. So let me show you. We got 3 cottages. First, this is the back cottage here. So here I'm at the back. You know, this is the back cottage. You got 3 cottages in this yard. Not sure what size of this is on the lot. Right, so that's the gate, that's the entrance there and everything. So that's where we park, and we have this is Coco. No, Coco says she's coming. Wagga Wagan coming. Wagga Wagan. So we have Wagga Wagan there. Oh yeah. Wagga Wagan. Wagga Wagan.
We are vlogging.
Good morning.
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 Wagga Wagan.
Wagga Wagan.
Wagawan.
So Wagga
Morning,
Wagan.
how are you, brother?
Yeah, so I guess Coco is having her early morning shower.
Of course, and exercise, everything. I'm after everything. Now I make tea with plants that my Rasta make me, and everything is well.
Yeah, that is good. That is good. I will see what D is going on with Wagga Wagan. I see Wagga Wagan over here. Yeah, Wagga Wagan. D. Let's check what D is going on with.
Alright, Kira, let me dress up, please.
Guys, she's getting ready.
Yeah, guys, I'm getting ready, and I'll be out in a few to say hello to you in a good way. Okay?
Alright. Wagga Wagan. So that's D there. Wagga Wagan here. Alright guys, so she's getting ready. So let me go take you up by, you see? Then put the ninja. The ninja is at the back. So guys, last night was a random. We all take a cord, you know, the cord. We just choose any. Oh, money on the ground, money. Is that right? So I get the green, you know. I get the green, represent the earth, represent the land, the greenery. So welcome to Kina Wagga Wagan. There you go, you know. Welcome, shoes off and everything. And Crocs and shoes. So welcome to my wonderful umbrella room. So I guess guys, I got the big bed this time. I've got the big bed, you know. So this is the room, you know. It's a nice room and everything is budget. We can afford, you know, if you want to relax in a cottage, you know. This is the type of cottage where you can relax and everything. Cannot go wrong if you're on a budget and everything. But trust me, cost of living is lovely here. You know, and this is my kitchen. As you can see guys, this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. So I got my stove, you know, my toaster for bread, you know, got all my knives and everything. So I got my 2 cupboards here. That one's empty. Here I got my cups and plates, you know, more cups and plates, pipe, flushing. So here's the kitchen, you know, got the bottom cupboards and everything, you know. So, and the fridge as well too. When I came and I opened my fridge, look what I've seen. My welcome package. Thank you so much. This is my welcome package. So guys, you know, the link will be in the description for this Airbnb, you know, and also there will be a contact number. And I got peanuts, you know, so it's comfortable, you know, for myself. You know, so this is the back door where you can still come through. You still got D-Mongos there. You still got Wagga Waggan right there. So guys, so these are the room, and I am right here. So look at the yard space. You know, over here you got your neighbors. It's a big house right over there behind this mango tree. You know, you got this Rasta looking cottage right here. I don't know what's going on with it. I wonder if it's Rasta Mako. But it's not. You know, but the yard is very cool, you know. It's very shady as well too. You got some trees, mango tree, and I guess this is a avocado tree. I guess so. Please, banana tree there. You know it goes already, and you got your neighbors over there. They got some same type of cottage. So guys, tell me how you like it, you know. Tell me how you like it. So this is my room, so let me show you the bathroom. You know, I got my wardrobe as well too. Yeah, as you can see, my bag is in there with my stuff and everything. This is where, this will be my workstation. You can sit and edit and everything. Looking out the window from here while editing. So this is it. So the next window there. So this is my bathroom, guys. So I had a shower already in the morning and everything. Nice toilet. You got your face basin and you got your towels. You know, so I had my shower already. So I guess I got my towel hanged up here. So tell me if I shouldn't. So here you go. You know, simple but nice. You know, it's simple but nice. You cannot complain. You have to just work with it if you're not. If you like the cottage vibes, here in Negril, you want to chill out in the cottage. That is it. You know, as you can see the tile on the floor and everything. So simple and nice. You know, nothing too fussy or luxury. You know, look at this. You know, got our shell. Everything, you know. More seashell. Jamaica smile, man. Jamaica smile, man. So what you have to smile about now in this morning? Please smile. Just smile and whine and give your face a rest. Then we've got more sea crab shell. Wow, this is a real crab shell right here. So I let eat the crab last week and put it right there for go and chill. Come, coca back, coca back, eat all the meat. I got more shells here, and this is how we roll. So guys, okay, oh, my TV on the wall. You see, you got your TV on the wall as well. You got your iron and everything. And wow, look at this. Can you tell me where is this? This is not Wow City, no. This looks like somewhere outside in the world. Right there. And you got your AC. Your AC is working and everything. Pow, AC and everything. So guys, so comfortable. I got the biggest bed from Coco and D-Mongo. So I will take you over there and show you their rooms when they finish. And I love this carpet. You know, I love this carpet. So lovely, so nice. Smooth as well too. You know, so smooth. So guys, so tell me what you think. You know, I got my chair. I can sit down outside here on the veranda. What do you call it? This is me here sitting, chilling. I'm chilling. If God is willing. So I'm chilling. So right here I'm chilling. So it's very nice and cozy and cool. You cannot complain. You know, you got your tank for water and you got your neighbor over there. As you can see, guys, the place is cool, it is shady, and this is the so the yard is nice, cool and shady. You got your neighbors over there, you know, all is well. So this is the yard space. Yeah, this is the back part of the yard, you know, and everything. Look at them house over there. Look at this house here. Just look. Like there's pure Airbnb around here as well too, you know, but this is the cottage life. You know, you can live the cottage life. You can live like cottage life. And you got a nice shaded space. You know, lots of banana tree running along the fence. And a coconut tree here. So I guess this is where the border of the land is, where the land stops. So over here you got the next piece of land, but oh, they're doing farming. So there's some farming going on over here. A lot of banana trees, you know, a lot of farming going on next door. But this land, you can see, get a lot of stones. You know, a lot of stones. As you can see, a lot of these stones is in this yard. This reminds me of Westmoreland. A lot of these sea stones, most of course. So it look like way back in the way, how much years ago. Like right here was a sea level. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. What do you think? Is this where the sea used to be? You know, that's how it is. But I know way back in the days before we even think anything, the water used to be right here. That's where you got these type of stones, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. Tell me, because we are willing to learn, but that's what I think. So, who knows? So this is the yard here. So Wagan is getting ready, and Lee Mongo also is getting ready. So guys, so I'll wait till when they're ready, and I'll give you a tour of what way they're staying. So guys, I'm going to stretch my legs. As I can see up there is some villas. So right around here we have some villa. Yeah, these are some villas around here. So we got some villas around here. Let me stretch my leg. Let's see how everything is this morning. Wow, I'm come on. Ayo, fine. Stretch my leg. Now come on. So we are come out without money. And this is a local. I guess we're here on the market road, so guys. So this is the market road, I think. Down there is the main road. I guess we're on the market road. Oh, wonderful this is. So this is the market road that guys are watching, the market. So everything here is like, it's all marketplace. Market. Little top diner. Oh, they got a restaurant there. Everything. Fruits. Oh. This is what it's like in the morning. Here in Negril.
They are right.
Natural coconut oil. Okay. So this is where we're at. Well, got Devano's ice cream there. They sell Devano's ice cream over there. Do you want to see that Devano's ice cream? Got some fine. Oh, you have Mother's Patty. What? Got Mother's Patty right there. Fries Unlimited. Run Kings. Fashion store. Oh, so you have Mother's Patty here. Okay. Well, guess what? Guys, you know what happened? I come out without money, so I guess I have to go back in. I come out of the house without money, so I have to go back to get some money to come back. I was gonna say Mother's Patty. I would have eat a Mother's Patty right now. I feel to eat a Mother's Patty. So here we got the roundabout down there. So homemade bit. She around the corner, she's not far away, she soon come. From Trenchtown. Yeah. Yeah, man. We only reached here last night. Yeah. Yeah. So no, I'm in your town.
Yes.
I'm in your town, man.
No, we live at
Whitehall.
Yes, they call it Tanky.
Okay. Where is that? Far from here?
Right at the road where right
By that road by the corner? Is the same road we're on?
Yeah, carry on, but may I tell you, keep me up, you know.
Alright.
Never follow you.
Yeah, alright, thanks. Yeah, man, thanks. This guy, so met my first subscriber already in the morning. So this is how the morning is gonna start off. I met my first subscriber walking here in Negril. Yeah, I met my first subscriber here in the morning. So this is the roundabout here when you're coming from the Mobile side. So you have the Popeyes. Oh, you have Popeyes over there. Okay, okay. So you have Popeyes over there. Guys, you know what? I don't think I should be walking and I don't even have $1 on me. So I guess I need to go back and get some money, you know, because I really want to get, I want to buy a patty. I want to get something to eat because it's early, so there's no point me walking. Oh, you got a lot of things over here as well. You have the Scotia Bank and everything over that side. So I guess I need to go back and get some money or just wait till when them ready and walk, come back out. So as you can see, we're going along the way. Right, but if anyone knowing me, if I'm walking and someone asks me for something, I like to have it so I can give it, you know. I could at least give $1. If I got something, can give something. I don't like to walk and someone asks me for something, I don't have it for give them. Woo! So they got the beach. You can see we at the roundabout. I know most of the viewers them who's from Negril and who've been down Negril know this roundabout. So when you see we at this roundabout, you know where exactly we are. And if you continue straight down, that's where the beach is. So you know what? Without further ado, I'm gonna just go back to get some funds and come back. It's pointless. I'm walking so far without $1. Unless just wait for Coco Girl and D-Mongo. Let's just walk back. So at least I know the walk where I can walk to. You know, so it is my friend. We're going to the supermarket.
Yes.
Where's the supermarket?
So where do you? Over there. Right?
She's by the cottage there. Yeah, they're getting ready to come out. So we're gonna come out.
Okay.
So if you walk along there, you're gonna see the beach and everything,
and
right?
The beach. You see this? Carry you right. I'm gonna tell you. Couldn't call Jesus down. Pure tourists, go straight down.
This road. So once you just follow the road.
Follow the road. Go down. Up there, sir. Tourists.
Yeah, cause that's where we come from. Where are the villas?
Yes, where are the villas? Villas this. You can't walk out the villa. Yeah.
Can't walk it out.
No.
It's too much.
And mostly white people.
Yeah, it's too much, boy.
Yeah, but
I like it already, you know. I like it. I really do like it.
Yeah, but we're alright.
And I thank you so much for watching me.
Oh, always subscribe to Kino. Yes, I always subscribe to Kino D.
Thank you so
much. But I should subscribe out here. When I go in there, so I go set my phone and subscribe to you now again.
Yes, again.
Again.
You mean you're gonna like it again?
I am a Jehovah's Witness and I will just walk and preach in like a while to tell people about God.
Yes, sir.
40 years, I am a Jehovah's Witness.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Alright, so can you preach something for the viewers them that's watching you?
Where I tell people, said, when them look for all where them see a guan in the world, one day it go over. Jehovah talk that in him word the Bible, a Psalm 37, 9 and 10 say I'm going to destroy the wicked and the righteous, cause him have a government where him carry same like how you see the whole world have a government. Team government going come. And Kino, I want you to be a part of that government here.
Okay.
So we have to just read the Bible.
Yes, sir.
Read the Bible.
Yes, sir.
Everything in the Bible, Kino. Each day you take it up, you read it and you beg God to be understanding. Alright, so take care. So my name is Patsy.
Alright, Patsy. Alright guys, it's nice meeting Patsy. So we're here in Negril. So guys, I'm just gonna get some cash because I haven't had yet. It's early in the morning, so I'm gonna get some cash so we can get something to eat, get some breakfast, or get something. So let's go walk back to our cottage. Wow. so nice here.
And also my personal name is Hen. C-H-E-N. So it's like, this is my name, just need to put here he. So
Okay.
Coco Hen, it's
Coco
like
Hen. Okay. You can see Coco Hen. Coco Hen room. This is her room. Coco
yeah,
Hen room.
messy
Yes.
woman.
So these are the traveling things you need, and you have to have a lot of things. So this is Coco Hen. That's
Coco
it.
Hen, say it. Hen.
Coco Hen. So this is Coco Hen room and a bathroom, the toilet, you know, a waka wagan. We call it waka wagan room.
What's that? What are you doing, man?
This, someone gave me this because so this is like for when rain's falling or something, you can put it over your head, right? So because the sun is hot, what I'm gonna do, there's a viewer, subscriber that gave it to me. She gave D one as well too, and I think I'm gonna put it on today while I'm walking in the sun.
I'm sure.
And this will stop everything. You wanna try?
Yeah, yes. Like how it can sit on your.
Look, it's got like.
I'm shocked.
So when I'm walking, it's
No,
not gonna
this
be
thing
no
is something else.
So I just
How I
open
can
it
open
like
it?
this.
Okay.
Yeah,
and then
open.
you like put it.
Yeah.
No, it's crazy.
So you open it up.
It's so funny.
You open out like an umbrella.
I need to
first.
put open like umbrella like
Yeah.
that until hand or something like that.
Yeah,
And then it's
there.
okay. So let's do it like that. And then I will put it here.
Ah, there you go.
You think it was good? It's
Yeah,
not-
yeah. That is it.
Okay.
Is it gone in? I don't think it gone in. Wait, it's not gone in. It missed. Right in.
Uh-huh.
Right in.
I'm shocked. What is this?
There you go. So there you
so
go.
It's the new fashion, guys.
Yeah.
Let me know what do you think about the
There you go.
guys. Let me know what do you think about it. It's crazy.
Wow. So you got all the
I'm
shade,
shocked.
everything. You're walking, there's no.
So you know this is good for women because sometimes women put a product that
Makeup.
they cannot.
Yeah.
No, not makeup. For example, me I have acne. Sometimes
Oh.
I put chemical things and I cannot go to the sun.
Mm-hmm.
So this is best option for your sister.
Hey.
I'm
Look
shocked.
in the mirror.
Hey. Imagine I'm going like that to the market. Everybody will charge me over. It looks so luxury.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Hey.
Coco.
I'm shocked.
I'm sure.
This is something else.
It's a-
Let's go, Dimango. Let's show her. D.
Let's go over by
Come,
Diesel.
come. Come, you want to see?
D.
Why? No, this is something else.
Else.
I'm shocked.
D's got one as well too, so.
So you never put something in.
Oops, sorry.
D.
Sorry.
D, look at that.
What?
What do you think?
You know, I always tell you, let's get an umbrella. Then Coco is like, dear, you are a queen for sure.
Mhm. And that is
No.
That is
it. Remember, you got one as well?
Yeah, I have one
I'm
as well.
shocked.
From
I'm
this,
really
from
shocked.
Yes.
This is from where? Amazon or from local?
No, it's the lady that give us the subscriber.
So you don't know from where?
No,
She's
she brought
so
it from
nice.
overseas.
Yeah.
Wow, I love it.
Yeah, it's so good. You
Sister,
can walk
thank
with-
you for this love. Thanks.
You
Wow.
can walk with this on the road.
I will never. Go
Because I
there.
take it out and I,
Me, I'm still single. I want to get married. Nobody will not take me like that.
and I tell Coco girl that I'm gonna wear it on the road because the sun is so hot.
Yes.
Yeah, all this, please. I tell her the sun is so hot, so I'm gonna wear it on the road, you know, while I'm walking to prevent the sun.
Imagine three of us with this. Hey.
Look at that guy. So if I'm walking now, I'm shielded by the sun.
By the sun.
I'm a ninja, so I have to look like a ninja, right?
Umbrella said, wow.
So smart. When I see these people who go, hey, no.
Like, wow.
I never go. Sun for me, no. No.
You look like a. Is he gonna wear
The
it?
problem with my hair, when I have that curly hair, the moment you put hat or something like that, it take the curly to other shape.
Oh,
You know, it's changed the shape.
and this is how you close it down. Pull it.
Yeah, even I didn't know that's how it's supposed to be put. Mine is just, I never opened it even.
Yeah.
because most of the time our lifestyle doesn't allow us to have these things while you're walking.
But it's so cool.
Good.
It's just for
vacation, Maldives, chilling
Listen.
at the beach.
Yes, if you want just to take color in your body and you want to keep on your face, so this is good if I want to get a color in the beach.
The sun is something else.
Specific
Right
Jamaica
now it's
sun.
something else. The sun
even
is
me
so
want
hot.
to put on the sunscreen.
I agree.
Yeah,
when
the sun-
I will go to the beach, I will put something like that.
Yeah, the sun is so hot
This is-
right
yes.
now.
I love it. Okay, let me just organize my stuff.
Travelers. It's all travelers. Travelers. So she have a side door.
Yeah, basically this is where I'm calling home. It has a kitchen. I love the back door. And yeah, somewhere to cook, dishes, everything. And one of the most heartwarming thing was when I found so many fruits that I really love, including the jelly. I love it. Actually, I should drink it.
The jelly. So guys, see there's my room over here. So we're neighbors. She and Coco Girl is so close. Coco Girl here, she here. So they're 1 step away. She can come and say, Coco, knock knock. You know, so guys, it's simple, you know, nothing fancy, you know, it's on a budget if you can afford it. It's affordable. So if you want to come and you want to chill out in a cottage, you know what cottage life is that? It's not luxury or anything, but it's comfortable. You can come and relax and enjoy a different type of view and nature, right? So it's all made of board or wood. What would they call it? So these the only one got coconut in her fridge.
Special thanks because I'm the highly favored. Guys, it's crazy. Like we didn't have any criteria of choosing these rooms. It was just so random.
Yeah.
But my house is the only one that has
The jelly.
as if I told her I want, or as if I said this is going to be my room.
It just
Nothing
happened.
at all.
It just happened. You know, randomly she chose and randomly I just say, yo, I need the back room. So when I went to the back room, I've got the biggest.
Oh wow, Kino's t-shirt. Wow. I didn't see. Super dad.
That is it.
Kino for sure he's a super dad.
That is it, super dad. Yes guys, so this is the Mwango's room, as you can see.
Yeah, so apparently we have 3 cottages, and special thanks to the lady who reached me out on Instagram. We truly appreciate, guys. Negril is one of those highly visited areas, and according to me is to come to Negril. So special thanks to her for giving us 3 cottages, and this is where I'm sleeping by myself. So yeah, this is it. Like, you know, I'm a traveler, I'm not a tourist, so sometimes it's not every day you are in luxury places or in your house. I have my tree house, but I can't travel with it in the car. So welcome to Negril. This is my bed. It's, you know, basically, you know, I've stayed in hostels, I've stayed in, you know, all those places. So this is just a good place if you're on budget and you want to check out places, because Negril is not just Negril, Jamaica is expensive.
Wagga wagga.
Yesterday,
No, wagga wagga is there.
yesterday we were trying to look just to check like what are the prices, and it was something else. I just remembered. Coco Girl was like, resorts? No.
Like,
I will sleep in the car.
Guys, imagine I was looking some places and we check out a resort, and Coco was like, Kino, resort?
No,
like,
in the phone she tell you, hello,
Yeah.
drive to the resort. The moment she say resort,
Yeah.
they lost me.
Coco said, no, Kino, I will sleep in the car.
Because you know, I earn less from what I spend. Jamaica,
Okay.
it's so expensive.
Yeah, they don't
And I'm a
understand.
YouTuber, imagine. They don't
Yeah.
understand. They think
are-
I have everything.
They think you're rich.
Yes.
Don't
You're
understand.
not
We
rich.
sacrifice so much for our content, and
Yeah.
sometimes they might
Sacrifice so
feel
much.
we have made it, but we haven't made it. We're still struggling same way, because we need to keep moving. At the end of the day, we come to Negril, we need somewhere to sleep. At the end of the day, we can't sleep in the bush or something. So it's all about sacrifice, because we love what we do. So
Yeah.
keep supporting us, we really appreciate. And special thanks to the lady who gave us this place, and of course the best way to pay back is to give her a shout out.
Yes.
And just to let you know, guys, if you're coming over and you are on budget, please feel free, click on the link, book the place, and yeah, this is what you get. This is budget,
Yeah,
guys.
it's simple. Yeah, it's
But
something
nice.
simple and nice. There's nothing luxury we're looking for, like I say, most of the videos they may see you go luxury, but this simplicity sometimes is good, you know.
And what I love more about this place is the fact that I can shower outside.
Yes, with outside shower.
Like I took my shower literally outside under the sun. You know what I mean? Like that one to me was like healing everything. I was like, wow, this is all I need.
The suntan.
Yeah. So that is it. This is the bathroom. You can show them. Yeah, that's
it's not big as mine, you know.
Yeah,
so
it's small.
I guess I'm leading guys on this one, and for sure I am winning. Here's our face base in here, so guys, for sure I'm winning on this one. It was randomly we choose.
Okay, I just entered to say that I'm going, so we'll see you later.
See you later.
Because I really want to start the day.
Okay, see you.
Okay, so
wait for me. I'm gonna walk that way.
You also go?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I will wait.
Alright, D is gonna edit.
Finish up with my work, then I'll take you outside as well.
Yeah, so D have been doing any uploads since recently, so she's gonna edit, guys, and we're gonna walk outside.
And I'll see you later.
Because I want to get something to eat too. You too, right?
Sure. No, I just want to explore. I don't have something specific.
Alright, so let's go explore. Alright, then D1 go.
Alright, guys, I'll see you later, alright? Alright,
guys, so let me go over here and put on my shoes. My Crocs.
I don't know, maybe I want to walk.
Huh? We're walking. Yeah, I'm not driving.
Okay.
We're walking. You see? Got market here.
Everything that you want.
Fresh shoes.
Wow.
You wanna look?
Sister, when I will, because I don't want to carry after.
Come back. Yeah.
Yes, for sure. Hey,
Look,
there's a
fresh
lot of
shoes.
tourism, you know?
Yeah.
Many tourism here.
Yeah, this is the tourist area.
Serious.
Yeah.
Eh, Bobo Klaji. Jamaica.
There's a restaurant here.
It's a restaurant.
Yeah, local food.
I love it. Kalaloo.
Kalaloo, not sure. You want Kalaloo? Cool. Yeah, man. Kalaloo. So this is the local. Oh, local.
What's that?
Avocado.
Avocado? No way.
No, this avocado. Pear.
Here they are. That one.
I don't understand. It's like when you go to other place in Jamaica, you cannot find it at all.
I know. Because it's not the season now.
Not the season. I'm shocked, sister. How much is the one? So expensive. Okay, maybe later. Thank you.
All right then. Pass back here, mommy.
You, sister.
All right.
Thank you, sister.
You got the coconut oil over there. Honey. Oh, that's the honey.
It's the best, huh? I'm trying not to eat honey.
Jamaican honey.
No.
You know, I'm trying to keep on vegan. Vegan, you remember? Vegan don't eat nothing. That
oh yes, cause that is animal.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if I want, I eat cilantro.
I got you.
Castor oil good for your hair.
Thank you, brother. I like my hair like that. Natural.
Castor oil. Hey, look, I got honey banana.
But I have one, you see?
Oh, she got the rasta.
We can connect our
You
rasta
want the castor
together.
oil to rub your hair, get it pretty, and get it, keep it hard, keep it tough.
No, I like the natural, but only one. It's mwah, delicious.
Pas italien?
No, Israelito.
Pas de français?
No, Israel.
Israel. Yeah.
Shalom, shalom.
Ah, shalom.
Shalom.
Hey, mangoes, hey, mango.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
After.
All right, cool. All right, cool.
What a vibe.
Yes, a vibe.
Welcome to Jamaica. Hey, I love it.
Yeah. So here is the main road. Look, we can go this way.
Okay.
So I guess this way is to the beach.
You think it's
You can walk.
you think it's safe to go as a tourism in the night in Negril? Okay, because for example in Montego Bay when I was in the town, they tell me no.
Okay. Negril is different from Montego Bay. Montego Bay is known, especially here, is known for tourists.
Tourism.
Yes, it's known for tourism.
So I can walk in the night.
Yeah, 'cause I remember last night we see people walking.
Yeah,
remember?
for sure. Yeah, for
We
sure.
see a lot of tourists walking last night. So
You know, I'm from outside, so all the time I need to ask
yeah.
what I can do, what I cannot do.
But remember, nowhere in the world is safe.
No,
You just walk with caution, right?
no, I want to tell
No.
you something. I traveled 2 years,
Mhm.
and when I visit my country,
Yeah.
2 years I'm traveling, nothing not happened me. But in my country,
Something happened.
2 Sudan people attacked me.
Wow.
2 Sudan people.
In your country.
Imagine in my country.
And you've been traveling.
And nothing not happened to me in Johannesburg, South Africa.
Nothing.
Ghettos, people respect me, but in my country.
Yeah. So we always say we have to just walk with caution, right? We have to walk with caution because you cannot be so sure.
100%.
Yeah. So we walk with caution. But I know this is for the main tourist attraction down here in Negril. Right? Where we're coming from was that direction last night, remember? And then we come and we turn left.
Okay.
We get the food down there.
This is the beach, I can see this.
Yeah, so that's the beach down there. So
what is this direction? This is more local direction? What's that?
this is more same way in Negril.
Okay. Also
Negril.
touristic street?
I'm not sure.
Oh,
to be
okay.
honest. Not
With
sure.
the time, we will
Yeah,
know.
yeah. With the time, we will know. For sale. You know, buy access to property investment.
For sale, wow.
Yeah.
I want to call him just to know the price.
For this, right?
Yes.
For this.
Imagine.
That would be
Buy
nice.
a house.
Woo,
Imagine,
nice.
imagine. And here you open your business.
Right here.
Okay, if you have option, if God tell you, you have all the money, I bring you opportunity to open business. What will be your business?
Airbnb.
Serious?
Yeah.
This is what you want?
Yeah.
For sure?
Yeah, especially if you get it in area like where tourists is.
Yes,
And then
100%.
yes, 100. You cannot go wrong.
Wow.
Right?
So how much you think it will cost to buy land in Jamaica? This area?
To buy land
What
in
do you
Jamaica, it all depends where. Because sometimes they sell the land according to the location. So
for
if you
sure.
buy the land here in Negril, like right here close to the
Close to the
beachfront,
beach.
you know what's that gonna be.
Okay, give me. You know, it's interesting to know. For
Okay.
example, $2 million in my country.
For
even,
this.
Even 3-4 million US dollars. Something like that.
So I think like for this right here, this spot,
Yeah.
like about 10 million Jamaican dollar.
So let's see how much is in US dollar.
US dollar.
How much is million? 60, yeah?
So it's 150.
This is million?
Yeah, 60. Yeah.
But you say 10 million.
Yeah.
So I need another zero.
Yeah, yeah.
10 Jamaican dollar to American dollar. I cannot see. It's too much. Okay. Now let's do 10. 1. It's 64,000
USD.
It's okay.
Yeah. Because for the location where it is right there, it's right on the main, down there, you know. And look, this is what you got as well too. You got your Burger King, you got Popeyes, you got everything right here. That's close. You got the market right there.
Yeah,
And you got the beach down there.
You think that this land will wait for me for 3-4 years when I will get this money?
Well, you have to find out the price.
Let me call him. I will
Yeah.
make my magic on this person.
Of course, you have to just find out the price because
Wow.
it's go according to the area, the location where you're gonna get it.
Unbelievable. I think you give a wrong price. I think it's like 20 million Jamaican dollars.
About that?
It not make sense. On the beach like that?
Yeah. And there's something look like there's a villa over there, a village. Look over there. What's over there, miss? Over there, it look like you got some. I just want to know what's over there.
Explore.
Let's explore it.
Just exploring the area.
Okay. You can get Popeye chicken and little Caesar.
No, but over there, it look like it's a market.
No, it's not a market. Yes, so that little place with the blue
No,
something there.
over there. On the other side, inside.
After the
No.
gate.
The fish beach over that side. You have to go the bridge and go down to your craft market over
Oh,
there.
it's a craft
There
market.
is market.
Okay, it's a craft market.
Like local one.
Yeah. Alright then, thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Momo.
So it's a craft market. I know it's look like something over there.
So if I say Momo, it's respect, yeah? In fact, Momo.
Mama is more like
Thank
not
you,
respect.
Momo. Not respect?
Yeah. But to Mama, Mom, you got the bike.
So cool. I guess that we rent people, no?
Yeah, I owns it. You can say thank you, mommy. Like
Thank you,
she's
Mama.
yeah. So it's all about the age restriction. Who you're saying it to? If you're saying it to her, she's a big woman. So you can say, alright then, thank you, mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, You know, or thank you, mommy.
Mommy.
Alright, mom. You know, cause
For
she's
respect.
yeah. For like a younger age, you know, you can say, alright, mama.
You cannot say.
No, for a younger age, you can say,
Also?
okay, mama.
You can tell me, okay, mama.
Okay, mommy.
You can, mommy.
And I would say, darling.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I would say,
Bye.
okay. I would say, alright, darling.
Okay.
Take care. Like, it's out of respect, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Say, look, you got the shopping over here. You got cleaning everything. Popeyes, Burger King. Well, you don't eat those stuff. You know, taxi stand here.
I'm really curious about Negril, I'm telling you. Everybody talk about this place.
Yeah.
I think I need you at least 1 week.
To get to know it, right?
And they need to get to know me.
Yeah.
It's taking time. You know?
Yeah. Second time in Jamaica?
No, I say it takes time.
Oh, it takes time, yeah.
No, my first time.
Yeah, it takes time.
My first time.
So
you
look
cannot
at
come
this.
all the time. It's so expensive.
I know. Look at this. So if you're trying to buy a piece of land around here, trust me, you're paying for that.
Wow.
That's what you're going to be paying for.
But it's just a piece.
Piece.
Piece inside. Wow.
It's a piece. Wow. So this is a local as well. Look. There's a lot of cottages around
Local
here.
restaurant and everything. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like creating Rasta places.
Yeah.
It's clean, it's alkaline, it's cheap.
Let's walk. Yeah.
It's so interesting.
Speaking the same thing. Look interested, right?
Yeah, for sure.
All cottages. Oh, it's a bar. Alright then, cool, man.
Wow, you're down tomorrow? Everything will be closed.
Tomorrow,
We need to indulge.
no, not really,
Sunday.
because sure it's tourist area.
Ah, you are right.
Business will definitely be open.
Yes, for sure.
Sure.
But the big brand, not the local. I don't think the local. The local also need to rest, you know.
Look,
Wow.
there's it. You can get coconuts.
Oh, unbelievable.
Look, we got a restaurant, yeah. Local food,
Home style.
home style.
Curry.
You got kalaloo? Aki
and saltfish.
Yeah, no saltfish.
I know what is it.
Yeah, but you don't eat saltfish.
Aki?
It's fish. You eat fish, right?
Yesterday I ate fish.
Oh yes. You wanna eat it?
Okay. Usually I'm not eating, but sometimes yes,
Sometimes.
of course.
Oh, they got aki and saltfish.
Oh, it's so local. Aki and saltfish everybody like.
What
cannot say
what kind?
no.
What kind of soup? Eh? Conch soup. Oh, let me get a conch soup. Oh, conch. That's seafood. Conch.
They have sip.
Sip. Conch soup.
Hey sister. Hi darling.
Hey.
Wow.
Let me get one of the conch, please. You want conch?
What is it? Vegetarian?
No, it's like from the shell, seashell from the sea.
Ah, so no, it's what is fish?
Yeah, but it's a sea.
No, so seafood. No, I don't eat. I eat only regular. Sister, you have sip?
Sea.
It has sip, but it's conch.
Conch soup.
Seafood.
But how it makes sense? I know in Jamaica, sip it's vegetarian
Yeah,
soup.
it's just
Yeah, it's vegetarian.
Oh,
So
you have
say
to
it's
go
not
up.
vegetarian.
No,
I'm
sip.
up a beach, man.
Sip.
There is soup and there is sip.
Conch is vegetarian
right,
because it's
know-
from the sea. So it's
You know,
vegetarian.
right,
How it
Bourbon,
come to
that's
be
not-
vegetarian?
No, I'm
You don't know from Bourbon?
No, I'm not from here.
That's how this sip sell.
Where is
Be a
that?
vegetable coconut milk.
Oh, where is that?
Only one and only Rasta man.
Where is that?
Bourbon, where you go and party inside, don't know Bourbon. It's a little bit up the beach road.
I will check.
So you go like
If you get
that
that
way.
sip, you don't want to, eh?
You go that
You
way.
go around the roundabout and go straight up.
Okay, is that where the village
You know
are?
Sunrise? I tell the good ganja is
No.
right next door to
So here I'm taking to the right or to the left?
No, you just go like you go. Which way you drive from? That
you-
way?
No, you know where the Rubies is? That's it.
Ruby's, no,
Yes.
you're not going back that
Oh,
way. You're
see.
going up the beach like you're going back up the
Where
hotel
the-
side, like you're going
okay.
back
Okay.
Lucy side.
Okay. It's
It's
back.
not really far, so you can't too drive like you're passing the place. It's,
Okay.
If you know Bourbon Sunrise is
Yeah.
right between there, the Rasta guy who
Okay.
sells sip.
Okay.
It's just natural coconut with vegetable and peas.
Wow.
How we go
Yeah.
to catch. What is the name of this place?
Everton, give him the name of. Yeah.
Not
What is the name?
No. Where we can get the.
No, she want to name of your place different
name.
from.
That's what I'm telling you. My name is Natural Soup.
Natural soupy.
But that's true. She said she don't drink nothing from the sea.
She's a vegan.
Vegan, right?
Vegetarian.
That's why I tell him go to Rasta. No, Rasta. Upload it.
Thank you, sister. I will check it.
This is a conch sip. How much is this?
So good.
Huh? 400.
You will enjoy from this one.
400. So let me see the conch. This says got.
So look,
got
where is the
peas.
fish? Ah,
This
this is
is
the
it.
fish.
That
This
come
is
from the
conch.
shell,
This is from this from the shell from the sea.
I get it. Never eat something like that, you know?
Never.
Never.
It's from a shell. Small shells.
From there, yeah, I know. Enjoy, brother. Bon appetit. You don't want spicy?
No.
No?
Hot. Let's taste.
Yeah, big one then.
Nothing, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's America come from?
Yeah.
So, New York.
Yeah.
You don't know a place I first come here?
No, it's my second time coming.
Yeah, if you know the place, man, I second time. Brother, so I left New York, come on, if I live this, I call them place.
Yeah.
It's like I just trust you in a two different.
And she's from Israel.
Israel, yeah.
Yeah, she's from Israel.
Israel African.
No, Israel.
What's that, purple? Yeah, not the purple one.
Yeah, man, that weed, man, that weed that you smoke.
No, I used to.
Yes, smoke again.
No, I used to. You? Purple one is nice.
You smoke, baby? You smoke?
No, you know.
You smoke?
Yes, but I can bring you ganja if you want.
Hey.
I don't need someone. I have everything.
Yeah, you have everything?
Everything.
I'm just kidding. No. Usually I stopped smoking.
Okay, that's a good, it's a plus,
Long time ago, now I stopped.
it's a take home, you know.
In Jamaica, you loving it
I
here?
live here,
You live here?
been here for 50 years.
Wow.
I'm a fisherman. You want to buy some fish?
I just bought some
Well, we catch a big one.
big ones.
We
Oh.
hook the fucking reef short.
Where you
Mashed
sell
up
it?
the rod, see. We mashed up the rod. We're out of the fucking derby, you know. The
You look
reef
like
short.
someone that live here.
Yeah.
Yes,
He lives here.
for sure.
Yeah, he's a fisherman
Oh, nice.
for 15 years. He lives here.
You want to see fish?
Yeah. Where is it?
Well, down the picture there, to catch what I caught last 2 weeks.
Big boy.
Yeah, big boy.
You're a serious one.
Yeah. You catch the big ones.
Fisherman.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're not good with the phone though, but very nice.
He's the top fisherman around here.
Yeah, I'm bored, man.
Oh yeah. Boat. Oh. Oh. That's a big one.
Ooh, it's tuna? No, it's not.
That's every day, you know.
Every day. Oh, look.
Every day, this is what you catch.
Barracuda, kingfish, wahoo, bonito tuna.
Wow.
That's
How you
say
do it?
since Christmas.
What's that?
Yellowfin tuna. Yeah, shark there.
It's a shark.
We am the shark.
People eating shark?
Oh, fuck that.
This drink's so good. It's so hot, but it's so good. Not even lying. Conch soup, you know, conch.
Yeah.
Whole chef that says it's good for the back. You know, everything for whole chef is good for the back. Good for the back.
I love this place so much.
Don't it? It's so lovely. Wow.
Peace, I want to buy land here.
Hey.
Yeah.
You can imagine you buy something in here, right here.
And maybe we will meet my Jamaican husband.
Hey. Hey.
You can
Yeah.
ask them how much is coconut. I just don't want they will ask. They will hear my
Yeah.
accent.
But I think choose Negril is gonna be some different prices.
Okay, in general it's 300 guys. Negril is something else. So let's.
Any tourist area is gonna be something else.
I agree with you, but sometimes people can be loyal with local people.
Blessed day, Rastaman.
Yeah, my lord.
How much is your coconut?
$4.
$400.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. So nice. Everything is so nice.
The beach is so nice. Look, that's the beach.
Yeah, maybe
beach
later.
is that way. You see the beach?
Yes.
We can go and see the
Hey.
beaches that way.
Where is your umbrella?
I know.
This is the time.
I know.
The time. Rasta people, they are so healthy.
Yeah.
They have everything.
Healthy. Nice, right?
Hey, it's a nice idea to maybe to rent a bike, you know.
And ride.
See?
Yeah.
Everybody here with. Hey, I think it's a river that's connected with.
No, that's
Yeah.
that's the old. Just the ocean. The front part with the boats them. It's where the fishermen them live from.
Wow. So nice. Everything here, wow. Look, there is super local. Look at that, what's going on there. Wow.
Let's go over there.
You want to swim?
No, not swim. Just gonna look at the locals. It's these all tourists here.
I love it.
You good at swimming, Coco girl? Good swimmer?
No.
No, good.
I can manage, but to say that I'm good, no.
No. But you can save yourself, right?
I can save myself, yeah. Not here.
No. Oh, how much?
Hey, this one he will charge you over.
How much? Goes. Ask him how much to bring us up the river. Is this a river? Or what? How much is it? Yeah. Wow, there's so many nets here. How much? $60. They go up there. That's too much. What's this? The river? Oh, it's the river. River.
It's fun, man. You're gonna see a lot of stuff up there.
$60 is too much.
I don't know what is $60. I'm talking on only Jamaican dollar.
Yeah.
Jamaican?
Yeah.
$60 would be like 8,000, 9,000. I could take like, when you have Jamaican, right? Well, you know what? Instead to give you 60, that would be 9,000. Give me 7,000.
Wow, that's too much. $7,000.
Or you just want to take picture of the car, right?
Yeah.
Alright, here we give me 5 here. Here you are.
Yeah, he's so sweet.
Send
He
five.
really wants that. He's so sweet.
How you get to the beach? You go over the bridge?
Yeah, man, but when you come back, man, you can't get over the bridge.
No, but where you walk over the bridge and come down here?
Go over the bridge and come around. And go.
To the beach? Yeah. I was gonna walk and check out first, right?
Yeah, but when you don't check out, you drive and enjoy and come back with stop over there's a nice big bar for the water side, see where you can tap and have a drink if you want to meet some other people and do some things.
Maybe later. Right, Coco? Yeah, maybe later.
Okay.
Alright then.
But thank you, brother.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
I saw you go back, you know.
Thanks.
But it's fun though, you know.
Yeah, for
Fun
sure.
because we're going to go by the Royal Farm and everything up here. And
That's no dope. It's for sure will be fun. And with you, it will be more fun.
Yeah.
For sure. No dope.
So I tell you, find that. That's like $8.
Thank you,
Not
brother.
to have a beer, not get a beer. Enjoy the visit.
He's so sweet.
I'm telling you, you see.
He's sweet. He's really trying.
Yeah.
I like how you try to say, like,
Yeah.
brother. Hey.
It is a good marketing.
Yes,
good marketing.
I love it.
Alright, thank you.
This is Crocodile River.
It's so lovely though, it's nice.
Super nice.
Super nice, guys. It's super nice. Jamaica is something else, right? Oops.
Today I decided to make a vlog.
Today. Oh, this is the village. Let's walk through the village.
Yeah, after you.
This is like a shopping village. So in here is like a shopping village. Watch this.
Local authentic.
Yeah. I guess this can lead us to the beach. I guess, yeah.
Local one.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a craft market. Okay, the beach parking is down there. It's a craft market here.
So what the woman tell us?
Yeah. This is it. It's all the craft stuff.
Look at that,
Hey.
many Rasta people.
Yeah, so many. Wow. This is the
How
craft.
we can recognize people smoke ganja. Without they smoking ganja, I take the hand.
Yeah.
And
you
people
look.
that smoking ganja have here
Yeah.
a hard skin because they do this all the time,
Yeah.
like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right there.
So this is how you know if people smoke or not.
Yeah. Are they lip?
Thank you, sister. Take a look. Thank you, sister.
Okay. You can look on the eyes or the lips. You know.
Yeah, it's true on the teeth.
And the teeth.
Hi.
Hello. How you doing?
Thank you.
Shopping today?
Her? Oh, thank you.
Shopping today?
No, no.
My name is
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sister. I love this.
Yeah, this is the shop. This is the
Everything
village.
is so nice.
I know, it's so nice. Look, she's the one that makes it.
So
She
local.
makes it, right?
This is traditional.
Oh,
This is like,
I know.
hey.
Hello, good day. Good day, good day. Frank, we just passing through. Thank you.
Taking a nap on the beach like that. What a life. That's a
Hey, you like something?
Yeah, man, you can step right
Look,
inside.
look, here's a bag. Here's a bag.
Hey, I have bag like that.
That's
yeah.
your bag, right?
That is my bag.
That is it.
It's interesting to know what is the price, but I will never know the real price.
How much is this? How much?
Jamaican money.
Jamaican.
1,500 Jamaican.
Oh, 1,500 Jamaican.
1,500.
Yeah,
Thank you, sister.
that is
Thank
good.
you.
It's not
It's
bad.
nice price. Yeah.
Yeah, nice price.
I love it. It's very nice. Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Very nice time.
Yeah, it's nice price.
so
That's
nice.
a good price.
Yeah, seems like she was like honest with me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, thanks. Thank you.
Here is real nice, right on the edge of the 7 miles. Look at the downtown Negril, beautiful look there.
Very beautiful.
Ocean edge.
Wow.
So you're on the edge of the beach here now.
So you're on the edge of Jamaica, right?
The one love, brother man.
This is the edge of Jamaica, the last of Jamaica.
Most of Jamaica.
This is where
The
Jamaica.
cliff. That's where you go over to the Rick's Cafe.
Where is the Chris Cafe?
Around there.
Oh, you go around that way.
Around there.
Okay.
Nice man.
So if you continue go that way, you find more attraction around there.
Yeah man.
Okay.
Nice place man. Yeah, man.
The cooking ital Rasta man.
Yeah, this is on this side is the beach, on that side is the cliff.
Okay, so this is the beach,
On that side is the cliff.
and that side is the cliff. Okay.
Nice attraction around here.
Lovely, man. Lovely.
Beautiful man.
I was telling her about Edoism.
Yeah, look on him right now. See him up the top. See him on the last pint up the
The
top.
last point.
Yeah man, him up the top the top.
Oh, okay.
Buddhism?
The naked beach.
And
I
then they
want
have this,
local.
and then they
Listen.
have Sanders close him.
Okay.
The Sanders with the green top there. See him there with a green building there. Where
Oh, okay.
Sanders right
Yeah.
there. You see?
Wow.
This resort there,
Yeah man,
no?
nice. But then you have Pine. Then you have Royal Time.
Wow. This is the
Jamaica
local.
is something
Nice.
else. Wow.
You have
mother.
family, your cousin, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah man, which parish?
Kingston.
Kingston.
And Westmoreland.
Yeah man, nice.
Kingston and Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a friend of mine from Molan Hill, you know.
Oh, where is that?
Out of Little Land and here I go Molan Hill.
Oh.
Like I go into Sab.
Okay, Sab Lamar.
Yeah.
How far are we from Sab? Like what?
Maybe around a couple miles away from here.
Okay, not far.
Not far, a couple miles away.
Okay.
Yeah, not
Well, half an hour?
less than that.
Less than that.
Less than
And then Westmoreland, how far are we from
But
Westmoreland?
we're in Westmoreland here now. Do you like jewelry?
Jewy. I thought that if you ask, I'm Jew.
You know,
No,
Jewel.
No.
Jewelry.
No, yes, I like, but
I built some nice ones there.
it's beautiful, brother. But I'm traveling 2 years, so this is why I don't buy nothing. I don't
okay.
do space.
Oh, you need one of the hematite stone. It's good for pains and arthritis.
yes, but no, I'm trying to not to put too much.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Give me a treasure chest.
What is chest?
Pirates, like, you know, Pirates of the Caribbean. Have you seen that?
Ah, like
You got the way you put gold coins in.
Okay, I will bring you. Okay. I will bring you anything that you want. Anything.
Alright then, brother, we'll just walk up the beach. Thank you so much, yeah?
Welcome, man.
Thank you, brother. You have beautiful energy. Wow.
Yeah, real energy.
Thank you so much.
Yes, guys, so that is one of the locals there, you know, and as you can see, it's very beautiful here on the beach. So lovely. Look, you can stay on the beach.
Crazy.
Right?
What is this? What is this, Jamaica?
It's something else.
You think that you see everything? You think Jamaica will surprise you? Wait 5 minutes.
Yeah.
This place will surprise you more.
Yeah, look at that. It's all business. Wow, Jamaica is something else. Guys, so literally, we're on the last part of Jamaica. We're on the end of Jamaica. Look at that. This is where my feet is standing. We're on the last part of Jamaica. Imagine that.
Wow.
Something else, right?
The oxygen, everything.
That's the man. How much is the bananas? These one? Yeah.
Bunch like that?
Yeah.
5 years.
5 bills. It's too much. How much is these one?
Bigger one there?
Yeah.
The one that hand? The one hand?
Alright, no, listen. Sell me some banana. Yeah.
That's why no people want it. No young people want it because they like it.
Them like that.
I missed time.
Yeah.
Best time of their life.
And that's when the most money spent. When you die. Just, alright.
Develop with that.
As a general.
I wonder what kind of general he is.
I've got no idea. Wow. Oh my days. It is so different here. Jamaica.
Running to you guys.
Big up man.
Fabio.
Fabio.
Yeah, man.
Remember when I called you and Chris said, who do you write more?
Yeah.
And I said, Kino.
Yeah.
I took back my hug. I had given him a back hug. I took it back.
And I want
don't touch me.
man.
So how is everything?
Well, I'm flying from 2 days now, but I'm Montego Bay.
Yeah.
So I'm just coming on Negril,
Okay.
and just chill out.
Yeah, I reached here last night as well too. We just walk down and the beach.
Yeah, so
Why are
walking
you
is
loving
better.
it?
You know what? Every 3 months I come down.
Oh.
Yeah. But nothing on earth would tell me that I would run into you guys.
Just like that.
I was over there for a minute, you know.
Yeah.
And I said, let me drive up. Maybe I'll go around the next road on by the police station. And then I look, I was like,
Well,
hold on.
We always everywhere, every corner. Yeah, just normal, you know?
Yeah.
This is one thing I love.
The last time I watched you when you was on by the river and you were looking at you. What's her name?
Coco girl.
Coco girl.
There was no water in my place, so I was like, what do I need to do? Let me go shower, then go on the road.
Yeah, they said, Keenan are here, so we are, you know. Yeah, man.
The ninja is not there.
Yeah,
So
and I respect the program where you have for the people them down there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah.
I respect
You
it.
too.
And thanks for the love and support.
Yeah, man, every time.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I'll go back next week, Saturday, so
Okay.
maybe I will run into each other again.
Yeah, we're here.
Where you guys staying?
Round by the corner. There's a villa around here.
Man, I got a place run by West End up the hilltop there. Nice view, looking down over here and things like that. But
Yeah.
No, being outside is the best thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you stay in the villa, you won't see much.
No.
That's a nice view for looking down.
Yeah,
at
yeah,
everything.
yeah. And they have a nice pool on top of the roof there too.
Okay. Is that an Airbnb?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Lovely.
I have your number and everything,
Yeah.
and we'll definitely link again.
Okay.
Alright, then give me a shot.
When you guys going on and doing any vlogging on the street?
Well,
We just came yesterday and we just out today. Today is our first day. Basically, to me, it's the very first day, and I'm surprised there's not so much to do.
Yeah.
The town is very small.
Yeah. Rasta man.
Yeah, man, it's very small. you know.
Yeah.
I would think there'll be more activity, like.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we're gonna go Rich Cafe.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
I'm going around there maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow will be the best day.
Yeah.
Going to tomorrow. Definitely.
Yeah, man,
We have a
always,
number?
Yeah, man, I have your number. I always call you. I like a look at it's what I'm calling now. The new it's not my real picture, but you can see my face.
Oh.
And you know the number that we used to call for banana.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying I'm gonna put the ring on it. And
Oh, okay. Single Wednesday.
Yeah.
Remember when I used the card for them.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah, them just flop the program. I just saw them going, you know.
Yes, they go there, so at least they get that taste.
Yeah.
So that, you know, because only them could do it themselves. That's what I've been saying to them, you know.
Yeah, you try.
I know me as a man, I'm always been trying and like feel I can, you know, trying to help in any situation. That's just my art of giving.
Yeah.
You know, I always try to help.
Yeah.
So it's up to them now to do that. Just like what I'm doing with the trench town thing. My art is always giving, you know. That is it, man.
Yeah.
Every time. We appreciate you always watching.
Yeah,
you know?
man. Yeah, I support the thing, and
Right.
I say sometimes I want to see if I can make a contribution, but I never, you know, because I was so busy running all over the damn place. But I kind of calm down now.
Yeah.
I'm in the school system. I work with a Jewish company, so school is out for winter break now. So I'm come down for the 10 days.
Yeah, okay. And then running back.
Yeah, and them get a little snow over the weekend. I'm glad I'm down and enjoy the sun.
Enjoy the sun.
Yes.
Might as well, guys, the sun is hot. You see, after we walking with this, we're short. So when people is short, they make me look seem so tall, guys. I'm not so bad, but he's short. He's short, man. Okay, the place is nice and cool, you know, relaxing.
I'm down on the beach here. I go around and so we get some food. Around at them place I'm called Corner Bar. Around it's at the tourist price, you know.
Yeah.
So I go to Corner Bar, I get my local thing.
Corner Bar is
when you go past
runabout.
yeah,
right?
past Pizza Out. and go around a little bit.
Corner there?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
That's what I'm calling corner bar.
Yeah. Can we see a lot of people there as well?
Yeah, food reasonable. If you buy stuff down here, what time is curry goat, $20. Around here too, like $5.
Okay.
Jamaican.
So we have to go around there.
Yeah,
I walk past it and see a lot of people around there.
Yeah.
So I wonder why it's so busy. But it's the food, right?
Yeah, the food, man, not the food.
So we have to go and check it out. Definitely the corner bar.
Corner bar.
They leave.
They get all. So the corner bar is the best place where you can get a reasonable price food. Cause everything at 30 US, from 25 US, 18 US. Hey, the price is outrageous, man. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, man.
But you know, we're at the last part of Jamaica now.
Yeah.
Negril.
Yeah.
And that is it. You know, that is it.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Relax, guy, relax.
No, when you corner.
Easy.
Yeah, man. Kenya.
He's been drinking his off his rockers right now. Yeah, man. So big up, man. Yeah, man. He's off his rockers. Yes, guys, as I can see, boy, the places have been, you know, it's not as much, but relaxing.
Walk around at
the beach.
Yeah,
walk around there already.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I literally walk from this way and the beach go all the way up.
Yeah, because it's 7 miles long.
Yes. And then now we start walk come back down. That's what we notice how far we went. How far we went, boy. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.